Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of charity, social impact, and community service. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as philanthropic, philanthropic, pick, philanthropic. It refers to the act of seeking to promote the welfare of others, usually through generous donations of money, time, or resources to various causes and organizations. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about philanthropic, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.